Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC P0128, indicates a coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. This issue is primarily concerning the cooling system of the Honda CRV, particularly in models from 2011 to 2016. A malfunction in the cooling system can lead to engine overheating or inefficient operation. This code indicates the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected a problem with the coolant temperature sensor readings, affecting the vehicle's performance and emissions. Proper cooling system function is crucial for maintaining engine temperature within optimal limits, ensuring efficiency and preventing damage. The DTC P0128 signifies a malfunction in the cooling system, specifically connected to the radiator fan control command. The radiator fan plays a critical role in regulating the engine's temperature by cooling the coolant as it flows through the radiator. The trouble code suggests that the engine control module, ECM, is receiving signals indicating that the cooling system is not operating efficiently. The primary components involved include the radiator fan circuits, the radiator fan relay, and the engine coolant temperature sensors, ECT. These sensors are typically located near the engine or within the coolant passage, where they monitor the coolant temperature. Any malfunction in these components can lead to improper cooling, risking engine damage or decreased fuel efficiency. Several factors may lead to the triggering of DTC P0128. One primary cause could be a faulty thermostat that fails to open or close properly, causing irregular coolant flow. Another possibility involves malfunctioning engine coolant temperature sensors. If these sensors provide erroneous data to the ECM, it can lead to inefficient cooling system operation. Circuit issues, such as damaged wiring or poor connections, can also affect fan operation and sensor readings. Each of these components must be systematically checked to establish whether they are functioning correctly to resolve the issue. Addressing these potential causes will ultimately enhance the vehicle's cooling performance. The symptoms associated with DTC P0128 may manifest in various ways. Drivers might notice the engine overheating, which poses a serious risk and can lead to significant engine damage. Additionally, there may be reduced fuel efficiency as the engine struggles to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a cooling system malfunction. Other symptoms could include inconsistent engine performance, where the engine may idles roughly, or the vehicle might not accelerate as expected. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for timely intervention and preventing further engine complications. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0128 involves verifying the state of the radiator fan control commands. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position. This action powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble code. Clearing the DTC allows for fresh data to be recorded during the subsequent tests. It is also essential to turn the blower switch off to eliminate any variables that might affect the readings. After these actions, examine the parameters on the HDS and ensure the radiator fan control signals are turned off. In this second troubleshooting step, you will check the operation of the radiator fan. Assess whether the fan activates when appropriate by examining its functionality. The fan should turn on when the engine reaches a certain temperature threshold. If the radiator fan is continuously running, further inspection is warranted, specifically regarding the radiator fan circuit and relay. If it does not keep running, ensure that both the fan high control and fan low control signals are off. Before advancing to the next step, This is crucial to ensure the cooling system is functioning within the required parameters before diving deeper into potential repairs. Step 3 focuses on evaluating the radiator fan circuit and the fan relay itself. The circuit must be checked for any signs of damage, such as fraying or breaks in the wiring, and the integrity of the relay must also be assessed. The relay acts as an electronic switch that activates the radiator fan. If failed, it would prevent the fan from operating correctly. If all components appear to be operational and functional, consider updating the powertrain control module, or PCM, to the latest software version to ensure optimal performance. Alternatively, if issues are detected, the faulty parts should be repaired to return the cooling system to working order. The fourth step involves verifying the operational status of the engine coolant temperature sensors. Start by allowing the engine to cool to approximately 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or below. At this temperature, note the values for both ECT Sensor 1 and ECT Sensor 2 using the HDS. It is vital to obtain these temperature readings as they provide insight into whether the sensors are functioning correctly. After recording, start the engine and let it idle. Monitor the temperature of ECT Sensor 1 until it rises by 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius or more. Compare these values with ECT Sensor 2 during this process for discrepancies in sensor readings, pivotal for troubleshooting. The repair verification process is critical for confirming that the issue associated with DTC P0128 has been resolved. Initially, turn the ignition switch to the on second position and reset the PCM. This step ensures that all previous history codes are cleared, allowing new data to be recorded. Next, allow the engine to cool until the coolant is between 21 Fahrenheit, -6 degrees Celsius, and 104 Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. After this, conduct the PCM idle learn procedure, which teaches the PCM the idle characteristics of the engine. Finally, perform a test drive at a steady speed, monitoring the OBD status for DTC P0128 to confirm whether it indicates passed or failed. This systematic verification ensures that all repairs have been effective. In this concluding stage of troubleshooting, closely monitor the OBD status after conducting the repair verification process. If the diagnostic tool indicates a status of passed, the troubleshooting process is complete. Should you have replaced the PCM during troubleshooting, ensuring to replace it with the original part is vital. Any additional pending or confirmed DTCs that are indicated must also be addressed. These may point to secondary issues that could affect engine performance. Capture all found DTCs for comprehensive communication about any underlying problems. This final check perfects your understanding of the vehicle's operational health. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0128. Regular checks of the entire cooling system will ensure that all components, including the radiator fan, thermostat, and ECT sensors, are functioning optimally. Routine inspections can identify any warning signs before they escalate into significant issues. Monitoring ECT sensor data can help you recognize if temperatures start exhibiting irregular patterns, prompting early intervention. Additionally, replacing the thermostat on schedule as per manufacturer recommendations can drastically reduce the chances of overheating. These proactive steps collectively extend the longevity of your vehicle's engine and enhance overall performance. In conclusion, DTC P0128 serves as a crucial indicator of potential issues within the cooling system of the Honda CRV. Understanding its functions and identifying symptoms early can prevent severe engine issues. Following the diagnostic troubleshooting steps ensures a systematic approach to resolving the underlying problem. Each phase of troubleshooting, from checking components to performing repair verifications, adds to effectively managing vehicle health. Implementing preventive maintenance practices further supports the vehicle's performance longevity, ensuring every journey is safe and efficient. Overall, addressing DTC P0128 thoroughly enhances vehicle reliability and driver confidence. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.